Today, I'm going to make a frittata cupcake. It is, again, very easy to make. We can eat this as our breakfast or as snacks throughout the day. Let's start to make it. Slice half of the onion, cut halfway through, and then we're going to cut the other side. Cut half of the green bell pepper. Take out the seeds. Cut into small pieces. Cut half of the red bell pepper. Take out the seeds. Ham stick. Cut the ham stick into cubes. Set it aside. Beat the egg. Set it aside. Slice our mushroom. Take out the tail. And thinly slice. Set it aside. Prepare a pan. Drizzle some oil. Cover the bottom. Add onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, mushroom, stir. Add some pepper. You can add any seasoning you like. It's getting caramelized right now. I can already smell that intensified flavor. I'm going to set it aside. Prepare a muffin pan. Add the stir-fried veggies to the bottom of each cupcake cup. Tear the spinach just to add a little bit nutrition. Add some ham. A little bit more to this one. Just cover with the meat. Add some cheddar cheese on the top. Pour the egg in. Ooh, it's getting full. Oh my goodness. Just be careful. Baking in the oven at 380 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Guys, this is my final product. My mouth is watering right now. I'm going to take one and eat. Peel the paper off. See guys? Oh my god, the layering is so pretty, isn't it? Oh my goodness, it tastes so good. The egg was steamed with the juice from vegetables, so the egg flavored with the vegetable juice. And the ham and the cheese, they're always great together. with the small size, you can always pack it on the go when you don't have time for breakfast and eat this in the office. I'm super fulfilled and satisfied with this. Hope you guys like my video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.